Hey, it's Chris Peters at SharePoint Mentor. We're going to go into a SharePoint online site, into a document library, open up a document, and then use some AI to prompt for the creation of an infographic. So this will be a pretty quick video. We're going to go ahead and get into a document library. And we're going to pick one of these documents here that we're going to then tell AI to create an infographic for. So let's use change how members can share. We're just going to open the document up. Clear off our last one here. So we'll basically have a lot of text. And now we're going to go down to our Copilot button here. Give it one click. And we're going to prompt it to create that infographic. Let's say based on. Let's have some fun. Let's call it a light-hearted. So we're going to create a light-hearted infographic based on the content in this document. So let's go for it. Normally you're going to get a little paragraph of it kind of acknowledging what we're asking it to do. And then it's going to go to work to create that infographic. And for this document, there's not a crazy amount of content in it. So it's probably going to get this infographic built probably a minute or less. While we're waiting for it, you can, once it's done, you can copy it and paste it into like PowerPoint, other things like that. You can download it if you want to have a catalog of infographics that you use. And then there's also a way to place it into the document that we're in now. It normally does that automatically, but there's also a button in there in case that had been pulled out after this work was done, that you could actually put it in there too. So here's what it came up with in a light-hearted fashion. And at this point, I can go ahead and trim it if I want to do some cropping and things like that. This would be the one to insert it back into the document if it had been taken out, downloading it, and then also just copying it. So that's about it. It's pretty straightforward. And again, we can, in the document itself here, do a couple little tweaks. Let's just say we want to crop a little bit. And we'll finish this cropping. We think it looks pretty good, so we're going to call it done. Now it's locked in into this document. And again, if you wanted to do a more cropping to pull some lines out and things like that, you can do that just fine too. And that's it. So all we did was we went into our Basic Insights home. We went to the document library, which is called Doc Repository. We opened up a document, and then we had it go in and create an infographic that now we can put in the document itself. Pretty handy. That's it. Thanks a lot.